So now that we've been able to add images onto our website, you're probably wondering how we can make this image clickable. So adding a hyperlink and encasing this image and surrounding it with a hyperlink. So I'm just going to remove out the sizing. And in order to add a hyperlink, all we have to do is wrap it. So we're just going to encase that A tag there. Again, A's anchors hyperlinks, opening and closing. And then we're going to add in attributes into the hyperlink. So we need to have a location where it's going to go to. So maybe this could be a little bit more information about this particular image and so on. So we're not going to actually have it going to a different target. We're just going to have it going on itself. And so that's all we have to do to add a clickable link. And I'm just going to update this page image from the previous page. So we're just going to put a title there so we can see that there is a difference within the pages. And when I refresh it, so when our image loads there, you see that when I hover over it, I get this little hand here. So again, this can be updated through styling, but for now this is the default for hyperlinks. So any hyperlinks, when you hover over them, that change over to the hand to indicate that it's clickable. So now whenever any point in that image that we hover over, we can see that it's clickable, and we can go ahead and click it and see that it brings us over to the new page. And then going back out, again, when it reloads, again, it's clickable and brings us over to the other page that we had linked to. So that's how you set up mapping of an element, such as an image, with a hyperlink. So and as you can see here, this is another principal part of HTML where you've got these basic tags. So we started out with our basic HTML, our basic head, our body, and within the body, so the body is actually wrapping all of these other tags and elements that are within it. So we've got our nav, we've got our div, and then the div, again, it's wrapping around all of this additional content. And that's how you really begin to build out your HTML code, by continuously having a wrapper on top of it and then wrapping content within the structure. And that really does build out that blueprint that we had talked about in the first lesson, that you're actually building out a blueprint for the browser to be able to read and understand how it should render out that content.